What's the meaning of coexistence? Coexistence. Coexistence.
Coexistence. Coexistence. Coexistence refers to the ability of different individuals or entities to exist and function together in a peaceful manner, despite their differences. The result of coexistence is a harmonious and tolerant society where people respect each other's beliefs, values, and culture. It is a state where conflicts are resolved through peaceful means, and diversity is celebrated as a strength rather than a source of division. Coexistence promotes understanding, empathy, and cooperation among people, and creates a more equitable and just world where everyone can thrive.